Putting the hexapod's legs together is another step that requires that all the parts go together in the correct orientation. So we have three parts: the coxa joint. In this case, we're working, it will attach to the body this way later on. We have the femur with the servo horns attached, and then we have the tibia with its servo attached. So first, the femur attaches to the femur servo with the flat side of the femur on, this will be the bottom of the robot, but the same side that the ball bearing is on. This one should be attached so that the femur is at a right angle to that servo. So you press the servo horn into place. And then secure it using one of the screws that came with the servo. Then, when attaching the tibia to the femur, what you do is this. So if you line up the parts initially so that the femur servo is at a right angle to the tibia, similar to what we just did with the femur servo, but then rotate the leg inward by one click. As you rotate the leg, you'll feel the sort of gear on the servo horn click against the mating gears inside of the actual horn itself. So if you rotate it, you'll feel it click into place. This is 15 degrees inward. And then press that servo into place like the other one. And secure it with another screw. So that's your finished leg. It's likely that the parts will sort of move around a little bit while you're assembling them, but remember, while you're putting them together, the femur goes at a right angle to the femur servo. The tibia is angled in one click, which is 15 degrees from being vertical. And then that is your one of the robot's legs. So you just repeat that 5 times.